how to edit, create, and delete printed layouts in XVCapture. So if you go to print images here from the preview screen, left click and print images, we have these layout formats. If you don't find the layout here listed that you need, or if there's layouts here that you want to edit or layouts that you want to delete, this is how we do that. We start from the desktop icon, the file location of XVCapture, the Apteryx software. Left click on the icon, left click on open file location. So we're in here in the folder of the Apteryx, X-ray vision, DCV. It's all alphabetized. We want to make our way to the print layout editor. Print layout editor and double click. It opens up these layouts that you just saw and when we're printing. If we need to modify them in any way, shape, or form, again, we can highlight this one. This is one that you don't use because I do have Pitot FMX. My Pitot FMX is basically 2-byte wings. So if this is a bit redundant, then highlight that one, left click on delete that layout. Let's do. So to adult byte wings, if I wanted to add 2 anterior images to that, let's left click on that and we can duplicate this selected print layout. Let's do that. So if I am adding 2 PAs, then I could change the name here. Add some sort of description if I wanted. So the 2 tiles are here. If I wanted to left click on add a new tile, I have to assign the modality. This is an intraoral, and I'm going to highlight the teeth by left holding on my mouse and dragging across, left hold and drag across. If I did need to change this, if I'm creating a deciduous tooth chart, left click on tooth control options, left hold on that black arrow, and left click on deciduous tooth control. That gives you quick access to choose teeth if you're editing, creating a deciduous layout. I'm going to make my way back to the adult tooth control and say, okay, there's my tile. Let's left click on it. You see it changes colors. Now if I left hold my mouse, I can drag that with the grid boxes wherever I'd want. So I can left hold and highlight and separate and align these tiles any way that I choose using that grid layout. To add another tile, let's left click on add new tile. We have to assign the modality, and let's left hold and drag across the teeth and say okay. So it puts that tile up here. So just be sure and left click and left hold your mouse key and place this tile wherever you want. You can change the tooth numbers on these images that are already here, these tiles, if you needed to, just by double clicking and adding or deselecting the teeth. When you're through editing your layout, simply click OK in the lower right-hand corner. Left click on OK. And left click on Close. And you just want to make sure that you do close the software all the way down before you reopen it. That way it refreshes the system and will add that new print layout. So now image operations and print images, I should have that 2-byte wings and 2 anterior PAs available for me to select if I did want to print my images in a layout format. I don't have to. I could choose 2 images, 3 images, or 4 images per page. But if I am choosing a layout, make sure that you print image labels if there's potentially labeling or annotations done on that image. Digital signature, you can attach a digital signature. We've got another video on how to do that. And then select all or print. Make sure your printer is set up. But that's how we create, edit, and delete print layouts in XVCapture.